Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a mouth-watering dish for you, crispy air-fried tofu with spicy sesame sauce. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll need some tofu. Cut it into bite-sized chunks, but don't toss that tofu water just yet, we'll use it later. Now give those tofu chunks a lovely coating of cooking oil. Pop them into your air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for a cool 15 minutes. While our tofu is sizzling away, let's whip up that irresistible sauce. Grab a bowl and toss in some white sesame seeds, minced garlic, chopped green onions, a pinch of chili powder for that kick. And then, here's the secret ingredient, hot oil. Drizzle it over your mix to release all those amazing flavors. Next, add a dash of light soy sauce, a splash of vinegar, a smidge of oyster sauce, and some freshly chopped cilantro. Mix it all up with a bit of tofu water and you've got a sauce that's out of this world. When your timer rings, flip those tofu chunks and let them dance in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. Your tofu should be crispy on the outside, yet tender on the inside. Dip those golden nuggets into that tantalizing sauce and you've got yourself a flavor explosion. That's it for today's recipe, folks. Crispy air-fried tofu with spicy sesame sauce. I can't wait for you to try this and let me know what you think. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.